Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to come up with your own homemade shampoo, and all the products that I'm going to be using to achieve this shampoo is all natural and it's something you have right in your kitchen. So if you're interested to see how I made the shampoo, then you watch this video to the end. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. The first thing that I'm going to be using to achieve this shampoo is the African black soap. So this African black soap, you can find it in anywhere. I believe you can get it in the beauty supply store and you can get it in the African store. That's where I got mine from. So you can still use any other soap that you have or you have been using. This is very good. I use this on my body and I use it on my hair. So I really love the African black soap. The African black soap is very good and is known for its antibacterial and antioxidant, and it has vitamin A and E. That's why I really love it, and it contains iron as well. It has the natural healing properties. This is the quantity that I'm going to be using to come up with this my shampoo. I usually just make a little bit and use it for the moment. I don't like to keep mine for long. I do it anytime that I need it. I just make a little bit and use it. So it all depends on you. How much quantity you want is the amount of soap that you're going to use to achieve this shampoo. So this is the one that is okay and enough for me to use, and I'm just gonna put it inside hot water and leave it there overnight, and I'm gonna come back and show you the next day. And the next day, this is my soap all melted into the water and it's now liquid. So I'm just gonna stir it and set it aside for the next ingredients that I'm going to be adding into my shampoo. The next ingredients that I'm going to be adding into this shampoo is aloe vera. So I'm going to be using just a little bit of it. I'm not going to be putting the whole leaf. This is the quantity that I'm going to be adding into my shampoo. Aloe vera have some great benefit for your hair, guys. It really improves and detangles your hair, moisturize your scalp, and it decreases frizz. So I love me some aloe vera because it have some anti-inflammatory action for the scalp, which is very beneficial for your hair growth. So I'm going to be scoping out just the gel. I'm not putting the back of it, and blend it. After blending my aloe vera, I now went ahead to use my sifter to separate the gel from the pulp. So I don't want to just put it like that because it still have some little pulp in it. If you just use it the way it is, you're gonna have a lot of pop on your hair and it's very difficult to wash it out. So I did this one time and it was so difficult for me to wash it out from my hair. So make sure you have something that can help you to separate the gel from the pop. You can use a cheesecloth or you can use a sieve like the one I'm using. Just use anything that you have available. I'm just gonna pour that into my shampoo and add in the next ingredients, which is olive oil. Olive oil, guys, is very beneficial for your hair. It retains the moisture of your hair and makes them soft and shiny, and it prevents your hair from breakage and loss. So you really want to add that into your shampoo. After adding that, I'm going to add in the last ingredients, which is apple cider vinegar. I'm just gonna add a little bit, guys. So apple cider vinegar really helps your hair to seal the ends of your hair, and it makes it softer, smoother and shiner. So I love to add this into my shampoo, and this is how I come up with my homemade shampoo. Everything that I add in here is pure natural. This is how you get a beneficial shampoo for your hair, guys. You can see how foamy it is. This is how it's gonna clean your hair thoroughly and give you that shine that you need and grow your hair the right way, guys. So don't go for the chemical ones in the market. Make yours. You have everything in your kitchen, I believe. Just make your own home shampoo. Each time you want to wash your hair, just go in your kitchen and make you some shampoo. Thank you all, guys, for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this, and share it with your friends and family. That way everybody can benefit from this, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.